Everybody wants fast home internet. But what does fast really mean? If you want to save money and time and get the best performance from your home internet, choosing the right NBN speed tier is important.
So how does NBN work? And how do I know which is the right speed for me?
Okay, NBN speeds are measured in megabits per second, or Mbps. Megabits per second tell you how much data can be transferred per second. The higher the number of megabits per second, the faster your internet speed.
So what's this got to do with NBN speed tiers?
Well, the numbers in each NBN speed tier refer to its megabits per second. When you're comparing NBN plans, do take note of both the maximum download and upload speeds. For example, the NBN 25.5 speed tier allows data to be downloaded at a maximum of 25 megabits per second and uploaded at 5 megabit per second. The higher your megabits per second, the more expensive your internet plan will usually be too. NBN 12 is the entry-level speed that generally suits singles or pairs who don't demand much of their internet, just basic web browsing and light social media use. And it's the cheapest tier, so you won't need to shell out too much in bills. NBN 25 qualifies for 1 or 2 person homes, where you both might use the internet at the same time. It's ideal for streaming music and standard definition video too. So if you want to step up from the bare necessities, but still keep things affordable, NBN 25 may be a good option. Make no bones about it. According to the ACCC, NBN 50 is the most popular speed tier in Australia for a reason. This all-rounder works for households that want high-definition video streaming, online gaming, and video calling without a pause. With speeds up to 100 megabits per second, NBN 100 can be great for big families. All is, if you want to stream in 4K, download big files, or need a fast connection for working from home, this tier could be the one to hop on. NBN 250 is intended to maintain a stable connection even with 5+ users at once. Saddle up to NBN 250 if you want to stream in 8K, or want super fast gaming and general file downloads, or buffer-free live streams and don't mind ponying up the extra cash for the service. NBN 1000 offers up to 1 gigabit per second, making it by far the fastest cat in the jungle. That means it's great for big households with serious streaming and downloading needs, such as multiple 8K video streams. In fact, it could be the perfect tier if you're happy to pay a premium for superior speed. Now you know who's who in the NBN zoo. Head over to canstarblue.com.au to compare NBN plans across all main NBN speed tiers and to find the best deal for you. Simply search Canstar Blue NBN plans today.